Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the G.Skill F5 6000MHz, a 32GB DDR5 memory kit running at a blistering 6000 MHz. If you're building a new high-end desktop or even a server and you're serious about performance, this RAM might just be what you're looking for. G.Skill is a well-known and respected name in the memory market, and this kit certainly lives up to their reputation. We're talking about 32GB of DDR5, which is plenty of memory for even the most demanding tasks, from gaming at high resolutions to video editing and running virtual machines. The speed at 6000 MHz is where things get really interesting. This is pushing the boundaries of what's currently available for DDR5, and it promises significantly faster data transfer rates compared to slower memory modules. The kit consists of two 16GB modules, which is ideal for dual-channel configurations, maximizing bandwidth on most modern desktop motherboards. Compatibility is always a concern with high-speed memory, but this G.Skill kit is designed to work with the latest Intel and AMD platforms. Of course, you'll want to check your motherboard's QVL qualified vendor list to ensure compatibility, but G.Skill has done a good job of ensuring broad support. In terms of performance, the difference between this 6000 MHz kit and slower DDR5 can be noticeable, especially in memory-intensive applications. Games will load faster, video renders will complete quicker, and your system will feel more responsive overall. The lower latency of DDR5 also contributes to snappier performance. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. High-speed DDR5 memory is still relatively expensive compared to DDR4, and this G.Skill kit is no exception. However, if you're building a top-of-the-line system and you want the absolute best performance, the investment may be worth it. One thing to keep in mind is that achieving the advertised 6000 MHz speed may require some tweaking in your motherboard's BIOS. You'll likely need to enable XMP, Extreme Memory Profile, to automatically configure the memory timings and voltage for optimal performance. This is a simple process, but it's something to be aware of. Overall, the G.Skill F5 is an excellent DDR5 memory kit that delivers exceptional performance. It's fast, reliable, and compatible with the latest platforms. If you're looking to build a high-end system and you're willing to pay a premium for the best possible memory performance, this kit is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to check your motherboard's compatibility list and be prepared to do a little tweaking in the BIOS to get the most out of it.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.